money, okay? In fact, we have to ask the bird herself, do you want to return this money? You want to return it? You want to return the money. Good girl. So that's fine, gentlemen. Can you stand up once again on your seat? Open your palm. When Cecily put the money down, hold on tight to it, okay? We don't want the money to fly away. Okay, look at the camera and smile once again. If you hadn't got that just now, put it down. Close your fingers.